We're going to clear our fractions by finding a least common multiple. If I can find a least common multiple and multiply everything by that, I can drop my denominator. Well, I have a 3, I have a 2, and I have a 4. So I need to find multiples of these. Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16. Now, which one do I have in common? Well, it looks like they all have a 12. All right, so 3 times what will give me 12? Well, 3 times 4, so I'll multiply the top and the bottom by 4. Now that this has 12, we're good. 2 times 6, now that this has 12, we're good. 4 times 3 is 12, so now that the bottom half's 12, we're good. 3 times 4 is 12, so now that the bottom has 12, we're good. So the numerator is 4 parentheses 2x plus 4. Now the x's always go on the top. So if they're on the side written 1/2 x, it's the same thing as 1x over 2. The variable always goes to the top. So I have plus 1 times 6 x. Let me rewrite that so it looks a little bit better. 1 times 6 x equals 1 times 3 x minus 7 times 4. So let's go ahead and distribute and clean up just a bit. 4 times 2 is 8x plus 16 plus 6x equals 3x minus 28. We do have some like terms, so let's go ahead and combine these like terms on the left. So I'm going to have 14x plus 16 equals 3x minus 28. Let's get all the x's on one side, so I'm going to subtract the 3x from the right. So I have 11x plus 16 equals negative 28. Let's move the 16. When I do that, I get negative, 12, 14. Last step is divide by 11. Therefore, my x equals negative 4. And there's my final answer. So again, we'll get into a little bit further where they're not just single numbers on the bottom, but they'll be expressions. But if we can clear our fractions by finding the least common multiple, it will make it a lot easier to solve.